Hi, garden writer George Weigel here for PennLive, and I'm going to talk a little bit about why vegetable gardening is not just a May thing. You know, a lot of people, they'll wait until about the second week of May to come out and plant their entire vegetable garden, mainly because they hear that that's the end of the frost. But the weird thing that most people don't realize is that more vegetables than not are cool season ones that can go in and really should go in way before Mother's Day. In my garden, I have about 75 to 80% of it planted every year before we get to May. Now, I'm a little late this year because it was so cool, and also the things that I did plant haven't really gone too far too fast. But most years, by the time we get to May, my whole garden is thriving and pretty full. Things like radishes, which I've already got up and growing. I've got lettuce here. I've got some red beets that are planted. They are just about ready to pop up. Over here, I've got a big patch of carrots ready to come up. I have onions are right around the perimeter. I've got some lettuce and potatoes that are going to come up shortly. A lot of years they'd already be up. There I've got cauliflower planted, and even some more onions and leeks over here. If you don't get them in early in the season, and by that I mean as early as mid to late March most years, they'll produce seeds. They'll go bitter, they'll get too far along, and when it gets too hot, they just go right down the tube. So you really should get them in by the end of March or the first couple weeks of April.